So this is my art 3D doll, Layla, from Exile Fine Art. She is a 3D printed doll especially made for me. She wears a wig and she got beautiful blue eyes. She still needs a face up. And this doll I especially purchased, so I wanted to create my own beautiful face for her. And this is why these dolls are made for, so you can design and create your own creation. Whether it's clothing or if you want to do some face art or face paintings, you can use her and design what you love to make. I love painting, I love art, so I wanted to buy this doll for myself so I can outlive my own imagination. She is fragile, and although I must handle her with care, she is not a doll to play with. She is a very fragile doll, and there is no other doll like her in South Africa. And I'm very blessed and I'm very happy to support Exile from Fine Art or 3D Doll Creations. So from me to you, thank you for watching. Blessings.